Hey there, welcome back to another exciting review video on our channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our future content. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the amazing handbag hanging organizer. If you're tired of constantly searching through your closet for that perfect handbag, then this organizer is the perfect solution for you. It's designed to keep your handbags neatly stored and easily accessible, so you can say goodbye to clutter and hello to organization. This hanging bag for storage is not only practical, but it's also incredibly durable. It's made from high-quality materials, ensuring that it will be a long-lasting solution to your handbag storage needs. With multiple compartments, you'll be able to store several handbags in one convenient location, saving you time and effort. The wardrobe hanging organizer is also great for maximizing space in your closet. By keeping your handbags neatly stored and off the floor, you'll free up valuable space for other items. It's a great way to keep your closet tidy and organized, making it easier to find what you need when you need it. And if you are worried about installation, don't be. This handbag organizer for closet is incredibly easy to set up. Simply hang it from a closet rod or hook and you're good to go. No tools required, so, if you're ready to take control of your closet and streamline your handbag storage, then click the link in the description to get your very own handbag hanging organizer today. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to organization, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this review helpful. Until next time, happy organizing!